Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change battery on Fiat flip key. It's normally for the Fiat PSA group. It covers quite a few models. So you have the Fiat, you have the Lancia, you have Opel, some of the Peugeot, Vauxhall, Citroen. Quite a few cars have this key. So if you do happen to need to change the battery on it, it's quite a simple procedure. So you have the key, flip it open, and then you have here a screw, which if you wind it clockwise, like I did, it pretty much opens the case, yeah? So you push it towards yourself with the help of a small screwdriver. Push it out and it comes out like so. Okay, once you have it out, again with a small screwdriver, just try and push the battery out. It should slide off easily. Pick it, and in this case we have a CR2032 battery. Replace that and make sure you put it with the positive side on the top, like it shows you on the side on the plastic there. Okay. Once you've done that, just slide it into place and put it back onto the key. You can see here you have a small plastic guide which just helps you when you're placing it back on the key, yeah? So just wiggle it into place, and then like we did, we've used the clockwise position. Now we're going to do the anti-clockwise and lock it into place. Okay, you can see here you have it shown on these images here as well. Okay, and that is your battery changed on the Fiat flip key. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. If you do have any questions or if you do need assistance, please do not hesitate to give us a call on the numbers above. Thank you very much. Have a good day.